Okay, so we are recording Abram doing some writing, and he's 5. Just remember, it doesn't matter your child's age, it's about their skill level, so just have to do it at their own level. And feel free to change some of this to see what works best for your child. Hold on, we're going to do it together then. You don't have to do exactly the way I'm doing it, but I thought this would just help you see how we work to do writing with him. Okay, so he drew a picture. What's your picture? Oh, you gotta tell me your sentence
Cookie
first.
robot.
What is your sentence gonna be?
A cookie robot steals cookies.
Okay, a cookie robot steals cookies. Okay, I love how you started with a capital letter. That's how we start, right? Great job. Can you say the sounds out loud for me?
A.
Okay, what would make an sound? There you go.
U.
A U? Okay, keep going.
E.
Wait, you missed you just said Now look at your paper. Touch it.
K.
What makes a
E.
sound?
C.
A C? Okay. Cook. Can you sit up so that your brain can work better? Thank you. Okay, cook E. What do you hear?
E.
What do you hear? You didn't finish your cookie.
O. P. Robot.
Hey, can you touch this for me? Touch the letters. Abram. Say the sounds when you touch it. E. Oh, what are you missing? There you go.
This smells really good.
Yeah. A cookie, what do we do after our word? You fixing it? What do we do? Oh, because it's a nice sharpened one, huh? Okay. So, what do we do in between our words? Let's erase that little part there, right? Okay, what do we do in between our words? A cookie, what? What do we do? Wait, they don't know what comes in between a word.
Finger space.
Finger space. Show them how you do a finger space. Use your finger. Great job. Okay. A cookie robot, you said, right? Now, why are you making the R big? Do we do capitals in the middle or something?
No.
Unless it's a name, right? Okay.
Nice.
You watching it? There we go.
Little.
Okay. He's not. He's just erasing.
How do you do this?
Okay. Robot. Let's see. What do you hear in robot? Say the sounds out loud.
O.
Right.
A. Whoa. B. M. A.
Great. Sound it out.
But.
Cookie robot what?
What? Dios.
Good job. I love how you remembered not to do a capital. You're right. Oh, you know what? You're right, means appear, but that's not the end of our sentence. You're making one really long sentence today, right? Cookie robot steals cookies. That's all one big long sentence. Okay? So let's finish steals. You did this. Okay, and you notice? So he is saying the sounds, and it's okay that it's not actually spelling them all correctly. You want them to actually...
What is the rest, Mommy?
Hold on. Steal. What do you hear? Touch it. Touch it. Eel. What do you hear?
Eel.
Yeah. Great. And what do you hear at the end of steals? No, thank you.
S.
Yes, good job. Steals. So, like I said, S's are so hard. I know. Here, let me help you with that one. We actually, too, at the end, here, I'll do dots and then you do it. At the end, I have him practice whatever letters he didn't form correctly down at the bottom. I write them, and then he traces over them when we're done. But like I was saying is, so it's okay that if he doesn't spell the words correctly, he's just writing what he sounds, and that's what you want them to be doing at this point. As you learn different kind of rules about spelling, then you can talk about those and try to apply those when he's working on it. But our rule is, if it's a sight word, a word that he knows and I know he can spell, then I want him to spell it correctly, because the more times you practice it wrong, the harder it is to correct, right? And when he first started, he didn't have to do that, but now at this point he does. Okay, so ready? Let's read it. What do we have so far? Read it. You ready?
A cookie robot Yours.
What do we do next between our words?
Keep it.
No, what do we do between our words?
Fingers back.
Do it. Okay, finger space. Yep, now let's do cookie. You're almost done. Great. What do you hear next?
Oh.
And if it is a sight word that we've already done before, I do let him look back at that page to find it so he can write it for that day. Good job. Okay, now what?
S.
Wait, okay, go ahead. Oh, that was hard. Can you look at the S we did over here? Can you try that one?
I know that.
It's tricky, right?
Look at this.
It went the other way. That's okay. Here, we'll do it. It's backwards.
I know.
That's okay. Great try. Oh, you just did the same again, Zilly. It's backwards. Here, do you want me to do dots for that one? Okay, because we want to practice
And you
doing
have
it the
to
right
trace
way.
it.
And you have to trace it. Go ahead. Trace it. Cookie robot steals cookies. It's missing something.
Payment.
You got it, period. That's how we know the sentence is over.
Is that 2 sentences?
That's one sentence, but it's a very long sentence. So at this point, I have him a lot of the times do 2 sentences, but right now I just wanted to show you what the writing was. Hold on, sweetie. And like I said, at the bottom, so look, can Mama see something? At the bottom, I just do dots, and then he traces over some of the letters that he didn't quite write correctly. And I always do adult writing, right? Don't we do grown-up writing? So let's do it. Ready? A, cookie. Cookie, look at my cookie, sweetie. Watch. This is actually 2 O's. They go, They act like a U sometimes. Isn't that silly? Cookie. Robot, you spelled correctly. That's great. Excellent. And now is a great time to point out everything he did correctly. So, like, I love that he started with a capital letter, right? A cookie robot. It sounds like a D sometimes on there, but it's actually a T. And look, you almost had it. You had the E right, and the L and the S. Great. And cookie's the same as up here. What made that sound up there? Remember? And cookie, what made the Oh, it makes a U sound. It was tricky. Okay, but you did a fabulous job. Excellent. Okay. And the fun part is, so by keeping the journal, you can look back at the beginning. So here was his first journal. We started this 4 months ago, and you can see kids make a crazy amount of growth in a short amount of time, especially if you do this consistently, maybe not even every day, but a couple times a week. And look, I even helped him sound this out, and you can see spacing's not quite right, capitals, and I helped him sound these out, whereas he basically did that on his own today. So I hope that helps you with writing with your child, and please don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on howtomama.net and How to Mama, our Facebook group.